digits on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajay Ami and I'm a makeup artist, but lately I feel like I'm a hairdresser. Not really a hairdresser, but I do hair reviews, makeup videos, and lifestyle, and also fashion. I feel like I need to be doing a lot more fashion videos, but hey, they're gonna be coming. It's just that I've been so busy with these hair reviews lately and I just need to get them done out of the way so that I can bring more content to you guys. First, before we move on, please do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like my videos. This way I can stay motivated to keep bringing more content to you guys. I feel like I haven't sat here and spoken to you guys in such a long time because lately I've just been doing a lot of audio on top of the video because Sahna is not really letting me film in peace, and with her being around it's just kind of hard to film and speak to you guys just like I'm doing right now. And I know that there's going to be a lot of interruptions because she's in her room playing, and if you do hear her scream or something, just know that she's just going ballistic in her own room, okay? So the company I'm going to be doing a review for today is this company here, Eayon here. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure if it's Eayon or Eayon, I'm not quite sure. This is the company I'm going to be reviewing today. Let's just open the box and see what's inside. We got a box here and we have a wig cap and the hair. That's everything I got. Oh well. That's all I need anyway. I've been sent so many hairs lately that I don't even know what I'm reviewing. I don't even know what hair texture or whatever. So opening this, I just remember this is a 5x5 lace closure right here, and it is a straight hair. I need to double check what length it is, but anyway, I will link it down below so you guys know what length. The hair feels really soft. It really does feel so soft. I love the fact that I didn't choose a long length. I also absolutely love the lace. It's been pre-plucked. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh my God. You can basically just see through. Oh my God. I can already tell that this is going to be so nice. And the great thing with 5x5 closures is that you can make them look like frontals without having to glue it down or just, struggle like frontals. So first things first, I'm just going to go ahead and take the elastic band and just adjust it. So I like to crisscross this because I feel like this way it could sit on my head and fit me perfectly, just like that. So let me just try this before I do anything to it. I think I might have to put foundation on my lace. Do you guys see this? Oh my God, do you guys actually see this? I'm loving this so far. Oh my God, I'm absolutely loving it. But yeah, oh my God, when I crisscross this elastic band, I feel like it just sits perfectly. It fits me so much. I'm screaming. Oh my God, I'm loving this hair already. You guys know that I am a sucker for black hair and I'm loving this so far already. Oh my God. Let's just brush this hair through and see what I'm going to be working with here. Should we do a center part or should we do a side part? Let's try with a center part, which I think I'm going to go for. So first I'm going to move the hair backwards because I want to tint it. I'm just going to tint the front hair. It doesn't need a lot of tinting. So I'm just taking my foundation brush and just basically using whatever is left on the brush first, and if this doesn't do anything, then I'll go ahead and add some more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder. So I'm gonna dip my brush into it and then I'm just gonna apply it on. Okay, I think this will do. I'm just gonna pop it back on to see if that is okay. Otherwise we can always just go back and add some more. I think this was okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a pair of tweezers and I'm just going to go ahead and pluck the hairline just so I'm not getting it that straight because I really don't like it looking that straight. So I'm just taking a little bit from the start. Okay. And I think this is better. I really like 5x5 closures. I feel like they're just in the middle of everything. So they're not a frontal, but they're not little type closure. So you can just get away with by doing a lot of things. But it's super easy to install and it's also easy to carry out through the day. So I'm just gonna use my hot comb first before putting anything onto it, just to press on it because I need to get this part flat. The last thing you want is that like this part being super bulky. So when you have your hairs, it's quite important that you style them. I think by now we all know that, right? Well, I'm hoping so. Okay, to move on with the styling, I'm gonna use my Hair and Ella wax stick. And you guys just imagine before wax stick was like introduced to us, we would just literally hot comb this and off we go. Look at all those wispy hairs. Like, all thanks to wax stick, I can like get this super flat and just get rid of it, because baby, the last thing we want is looking very, very funny. So I'm just gonna run this through the hair. I'm also gonna do it in front because I wanna like get that nice flick hair in the front. I am so scared of hot combs, honestly. I have burnt myself time and time with this. So ever since then, I'm always like running away from it. So if you see me do like really funny facial expressions, just know that that is me reacting to how scared I am towards this, because when they burn you, it's just ouch, like it's so painful. All right, once we do that, we're going to be flat ironing the hair. So I'm just gonna start from the back. So because this hair is quite new, I'm not gonna like, you know, do it perfectly because it's soft. So I'm just gonna take it from the back and just like randomly pick sections to do it. So yeah, lately I just feel like I've been doing a lot of hair reviews. Like that's why I can't even like have time to upload any other content on my channel, and I feel like I kind of missed that. I want to do fashion hauls so bad, but it's like that's so time consuming, and finding it so hard to film it. Having Sana around, it just doesn't make it any easier. Like I want to give you guys content so bad, but I'm just trying to figure out how I can do this without like struggling or anything like that. And with these like companies, these hair companies, when they basically like send you hairs, they expect you to do it like straight away, and this is not easy. Having to sit down filming stuff, you've got your obviously personal life, and then you need to like sit down and edit. For people like me, I have to do it all by myself. Obviously, if you're like, you know, up there, you probably have someone that edits all your videos for you, but it's not me, it's not yet. But one day, hopefully soon, inshallah, that day will come. This hair was so easy to style, like, oh my god, unless you want to really be extra with like other styles, but I really think that this hair was so easy to style. It is so soft, like I can't even believe how soft it is. And it also feels like really light. It's not that heavy. It doesn't feel any heavy on my head. It feels light. I think it's 150 density, and I also think that this is a like 20-inch hair. So I'm preparing to go to Gambia like really soon, and I'm super excited. At the same time, like I'm like, oh my god, this year is gonna be so dead. There's basically no events happening, and I just feel like, oh my god, I just miss home right now. I don't even care about the event or any of that. I just want to like be next to my family. What's up, Sana?
Mommy, look at hair. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful?
Yeah.
Thank you. As I was saying, going this year is just making me so like nervous, because I haven't got that much bookings that I used to, like compared to all these other years. Like I still thank God that I have some. It's better than not having any. But like what I'm trying to say is that like for the past years, I've been so busy with like December time, with bridal makeup and just like party makeup. But for the first time in so many years of being a makeup artist, I'm gonna go to Gambia and like not do a lot of work, which is why I'm even like thinking of like other plans. I'm not gonna tell you guys what the plans are, but I've got like other exciting plans that I think I might actually be doing if Gambia is like super dead. I really do hope that whilst we're there, they might just like change their mind and just like bring Wali Sek or Yusundur or something like that. Like, cause we need this happiness. I feel like the whole year it's just been such a sad year. People are just dying left, right, center. Everyone's just dying, and it's just it's just been so hard, you guys. But like I hate complaining because I feel like I'm being super selfish as I'm still alive, and I really, really do thank God for it, and I so appreciate like my life right now compared to what like other people are going through. But I'm not gonna lie, this year has actually been so hard. This year's been so hard. Like other things happening really like in my life as well. Like how many times have I said like in one sentence? So I'm gonna use this argan oil, and this is just for hair. I like using this sometimes, but I prefer like using it on black hair, and I also only go for like one pump. then I try to spread it like evenly onto the hair, because the last thing you want is to take this shininess and just put it on like one part or one side of the hair. Like, oh my god, I am so loving this hair so far, and the fact that it's so light, like I can't even explain how much I love it. This looks so good. This is why I love black hair. This is the reason why, because black hair, come on, you can just never go wrong. You cannot go wrong with black hair. You just can't. I'm just gonna take my concealer. The reason why I'm deciding to use this small brush is that it's really flat and I don't want to touch the concealer onto the hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stretch this, then I'm gonna apply it on to that tiny little parting right there. So I'm just gonna stop right there. I'm not obviously gonna bring it all the way to the front. So one time I did show you guys the tip where if you do get some concealer onto the hair, you can just use a mascara to clear that. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace now. So with this one, I mean, I know with closures I normally say, oh, you don't have to be perfect to do this step. But then again, with this one, I feel like you can take your time because it's more of a bigger, it's a 5x5 closure. So it's slightly bigger than a 4x4. Therefore, you gotta take your time. The reason why I left it on was because I normally put the hot comb there and I'm so scared. So that's why I always leave the lace till last and just like take it off. So what I'm gonna do now is that I am going to be fixing my forehead and just like put the makeup back on. Okay, this is just like me done. I'm just gonna zoom out the camera so you guys can see like the length. And this is it. This is like where it stops. It's quite long. I am so tempted to do baby hairs, but I'm not gonna do it. I am just gonna try and not do it, but I am so tempted. I would have done like 2 here and just maybe 1 on the forehead. What did you guys think? I really like this. Should we go ahead and try the side part to see how that looks like? Okay guys, so we have seen how the center part looks like, and oh my god, I'm absolutely falling in love with it. Like, I absolutely love this hair. I'm just like so happy that I actually got to collaborate with Eayon hair on this wig, this particular wig right here. So I will link everything down below so you guys can also go ahead and check them out. I'm sorry if my face is like a little bit, you know, I'm having these bad breakouts and it's just like killing me. Anyway, should we try and do a side part on this? Like, I did say that I wanted to try a side part. Let me just see, like, I think by the end of the video I might go back to center part, because I just love center part so much. So all we have to do if we're going to change part is, because we already had some wax stick on it, if we need more we can go ahead and add some more, but if we don't, let's just try and work with whatever we already have on the hair. And wow, this is what the side part looks like, and I also really like it. I really love that flick that I got here in the front. This is giving me vibes. Like, I'm just gonna actually make it like a little bit higher. Look at that. I really love it. What did you guys think about the side part? I personally think that center parts always suit me the best. Then again, people have like different preferences. So if you are a side person girl, don't feel like, okay, my 5x5 closure is not going to be versatile for me to do a side parting, because you can. But me personally, I just love a center part. I feel like it suits my face structure. So it just depends basically what kind of face structure you have as well. Okay guys, that was it. That was all the tutorial done for today. So this is me just going back to center part and also doing a little bit of a extreme temple baby hairs, okay? And I think I prefer it this way. I really like this style. I feel like it just makes it look more like a frontal. This was like a top style for me. I just wanted to give a huge thank you to Eayon hair. I will make sure that I link everything down below in the description bar, so every time you guys want to obviously know what hair I'm using, the texture, the type, the length, just make sure you guys click on the link. So I'll be linking Eayon's hair's website, and you guys can also go ahead and use my discount code. I really hope that you guys love this hair as much as I did. I will be seeing you guys pretty soon. Take care and bye. See you on my next video.